Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send large files using Google Drive, no limits. Let's dive in. First of all, head to drive.google.com and sign in. Click New on the left, then File Upload. Pick your giant file, videos, GIFs, whatever, and let it upload. Google Drive handles files of any size. As long as you have got space, 15 GB free to start or upgrade for more. Once it's done, you are ready to share. Right click your file, hit share, and add emails or grab a link. Choose anyone with the link if it's open access or restrict it to specific people. Set permissions, view, comment, or edit, then click send or copy the link. Your recipient gets an email or uses the link. No size worries, no hassle. They can download or view it right from Drive. And that's it. Fast, free, and limitless. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.